in doing all this research and everything, do you have any ideas or insights of things we may want to tweak in our current system or change?
Well, yeah, I mean, I think one of the things we need to realize is that in modern democracy, it's great. Everybody gets to vote. Participation is very broad. But for the vast majority of us, that's the only way we participate politically.
Yeah.
And if that's the only way you participate politically, then that may get to feel unsatisfying if all you can do is vote every 2 to 4 years and see whether you're happy or whether you're not happy. And so I think there have been times, like in the early republic in the United States, some of the leaders realized, wow, we've got to keep people connected with the government in Washington. So they did things like one of the reasons why the Postal Service distributed newspapers anywhere for only 1 penny is because this thing called the Postal Service Act of 1792 said we got to keep people informed. We got to people informed to keep them connected with the center of government. So sometimes keeping people connected with government depended on the government itself making investments to see that happens. And I think we might want to go back to that precedent and see what could be done along those lines.
Okay, go back to the precedent of just trying to inform people.
Yeah, trying to inform people, keep them connected. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I mean, are we to the... Because now it feels like I almost give up on stuff because there's just too much information for me to get to.
Yeah, exactly. That's the problem today. It's not, if you think of like someone in like 1783 in a farm, I don't know, in Pennsylvania or something like that, that was either no information or they got a newspaper. Yeah. Whereas today we could drown in information and disinformation. So it's no longer an issue of do you have the information? I think it's also a question of what the quality of the information is.
Yeah.
And how much you trust that information. And one of the things that's unfortunate, we've seen a lot of disappearance of a lot of local news outlets. Mm-hmm. It's happening in the U.S. It's also happening in other countries like the U.K., where just the nationalization of news. And so people are actually, although surveys show that people are much less trusting of national media than they are of local media, which is interesting. People are also more trusting even today of local and state governments than they are of national governments, which again comes back to this question of maybe that's showing us again that democracy is easier to maintain at a smaller scale than at a larger scale.
Yeah, right. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.